Fix Deep Rock Galactic Rogue Core audio issue on PC. 1. Restart your PC in game. Close the game completely. Restart your computer normally. Launch the game again afterward. 2. Check Windows sound output. Right-click the sound icon on taskbar. Select the correct playback device. Set your headset or speakers as default. 3. Verify in-game audio settings. Open Rogue Core audio settings. Increase master and effects volume. Make sure audio is not muted. Hasher. 4. Update audio drivers. Open Device Manager on Windows. Update Realtek or other audio drivers. Restart your PC after updating. Disable spatial sound enhancements. Open Sound Control Panel. Disable Windows Sonic Dolby Atmos temporarily. Turn off audio enhancements. 6. Verify game files. Open Steam Library. Right-click Deep Rock Galactic Rogue Core. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. 7. Disable background audio apps. Close Discord, Spotify, and browser tabs. Disable unnecessary audio software. Stop voice changers or virtual audio tools. 8. Change audio sample rate. Open sound device properties. Set sample rate to 24-bit, 48,000 Hz. Apply the changes and restart the game. 9. Reinstall DirectX and Visual C++. Install latest DirectX runtime. Reinstall Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables. Restart your PC afterward. 10. Reinstall the game if issue continues. Uninstall Rogue Core completely. Delete leftover audio config files manually. Install a fresh copy of the game again.